Good morning everyone, my name is Umar and today I am going to present my project, a fan powered windmill electricity generation system with automatic power backup. So what's the problem? In many homes, schools and small setups we face frequent power cuts, small electronic devices stops working and renewable resource solution like big windmills or solar panels are expensive and not practical indoors. So my idea is to solve this problem, I designed a system where a simple table fan can create wind, and this wind rotates windmill blades. The rotating blades convert kinetic energy into mechanical energy, which then drives a small generator to produce electricity. But the current produced by the generator is unstable, so the first step is to rectification and regulator. After stabilizing the power, I divide the output into two parts. About 30% of the power goes into a charge controller, which safely charges a battery. The remaining power goes through a DC to DC converter, which converts it into a stable 9 watt supply to run a 9-volt fan. This creates a complete loop where wind turns the blades, the generator creates electricity, and the electricity powers another fan and charges a battery. So, my main feature of this project. The most important feature part of my project is the automatic backup system. Whenever the speed reduces or the generator output drops, the battery immediately takes over and provides power to the 9-volt fan. This ensures continuous and smooth operation even if the wind stops. So benefits of my projects are low cost and can be made using easily available products. Very eco-friendly, using wind system as a primary source. So my future plans are using aerodynamic rotors or rotors to increase power generation, add sensors like my ESP32 or Arduino to my project to monitor battery levels and power division, integrate IoT features so that it can also be calibrated from mobile. So the final conclusion is my project proves that with simple components we can create an efficient, continuous and renewable energy system that is both affordable and practical. Thank you.